Ever wondered how you can make money on YouTube without filming? Well, you're in the right place. You see, YouTube isn't just about being in front of the camera and creating your own content. There's a whole world of opportunity out there that doesn't require you to film a single second. Yes, it's true. You can actually earn money on this platform without needing to step into the spotlight or even own a camera. It's all about understanding the different avenues available to you and learning how to navigate YouTube's monetization policies. These policies are crucial to your success, as they dictate what's allowed and what's not. So, if you've been dreaming of making it big on YouTube, but the thought of filming has been holding you back, fret not. There are ways to monetize your channel without ever pressing the record button. Stay tuned if you want to discover the secrets of YouTube monetization without filming. Before diving into the money-making methods, you need to understand YouTube's monetization policies. To tap into the monetization features, your channel must first meet certain requirements. These include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. This is known as the YouTube Partner Program eligibility requirement. But that's not all. YouTube also has strict policies regarding the kind of content that can be monetized. You see, not all content is considered eligible. Content that is violent, hateful, or promotes harmful or dangerous activities is typically not eligible for monetization. This is to ensure that the platform remains safe and advertiser-friendly. Moreover, copyrighted content can also lead to monetization issues. So, always make sure your content is original and does not infringe on anyone else's rights. Now that you grasp the basics of YouTube's policies, let's look at the ways you can make money without filming. One of the easiest ways to earn money on YouTube without filming is through affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing exactly? It's a process where you promote someone else's product, and when a sale is made through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. But how do you choose the right affiliate marketing programs? Look for products or services that align with your channel's theme. If you're into tech, promote gadgets. If you're into fitness, promote health supplements. The key is to make it relevant and valuable to your viewers. And how do you promote these products effectively? Well, you can mention them in your videos, even if it's just a simple shout-out. Or you can put your affiliate link in the video description, encouraging your viewers to check it out. Remember, honesty is crucial. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain trust with your viewers. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative method if done correctly, but it's not the only one. Another method is by utilizing Creative Commons videos. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are Creative Commons videos? Well, they are videos that creators have chosen to share with the public under certain conditions, allowing others to use, share, or even build upon their work. It's like a buffet of content just waiting for you to dig in. But before you dive right in, there are a few things you need to know. Not all Creative Commons licenses are the same. Some allow for commercial use, while others may not. Some require you to share your work under the same terms, while others allow for more flexibility. To avoid any potential copyright issues, make sure you understand the license terms for any video you plan to use. Now, how can you use these videos to create new content? Well, there are endless possibilities. You could create a compilation of funny cat videos, a highlight reel of epic sports moments, or even a video essay exploring a particular topic using relevant clips. The key is to add your unique touch. Just using the videos as they are won't cut it. You need to provide some sort of value to your viewers. This could be through adding your own commentary or insights, editing the videos in a creative way, or curating them around a particular theme. And don't forget about attribution. It's not just about following the rules, it's also about respecting the original creators. Always credit the original creators and provide a link to their work. This not only ensures you're on the right side of the law, but it also fosters a sense of community and collaboration. So, start exploring the vast world of Creative Commons. There are millions of videos out there, waiting to be discovered, remixed, and shared. It's an opportunity to create something new without having to start from scratch. Creative Commons is a goldmine for content, but remember, always add your unique touch. Selling merchandise is another great way to make money on YouTube without filming. This approach is all about creating products that resonate with your audience's interests and promoting them effectively on your channel. Think about what your viewers love about your content. Is it your style, your humor, your unique perspective? Then, design merchandise that reflects these aspects. You might create branded t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products like ebooks or courses. Remember, the key is to ensure your merchandise is of high quality and truly represents your brand. Promoting your merchandise can be as simple as mentioning it in your video descriptions or as complex as creating dedicated promotional videos. Just make sure it feels natural and not too salesy. Quality and design are crucial. If your merchandise is well designed and high quality, it's more likely to appeal to your fans and encourage them to make a purchase. Selling merchandise can significantly increase your YouTube income, but it requires a loyal fan base. So you see, making money on YouTube without filming is not only possible, but also quite lucrative. It's a reality that has been capitalized on by countless creators, and it's a reality that you can make your own. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and summarize the key points we've covered. It's crucial to understand YouTube's monetization policies. This is the foundation upon which you will build your YouTube business. Think of it as the rulebook you need to play by to ensure your channel remains in good standing and continues to generate revenue. Next, we delved into affiliate marketing, a fantastic method for making money on YouTube without filming. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your affiliate link, you can turn your channel into a profitable venture. It's all about aligning with brands that resonate with your content and audience. We then explored the world of Creative Commons. This is an absolute goldmine for those who don't want to film their own videos. It's like a buffet of content just waiting to be repurposed and monetized. But remember, always respect the original creator's stipulations and give credit where it's due. Lastly, selling merchandise is another great strategy. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or digital products, creating and selling your own merchandise can bring in a steady stream of income. It also helps to solidify your brand and create a sense of community among your viewers. Each of these methods offers its own set of benefits and challenges. It's about finding what works best for you, your content, and your audience. The beauty of YouTube is that it's a platform that encourages creativity and innovation. So don't be afraid to experiment, to take risks, and to learn from your successes and failures. Dive into the world of YouTube monetization without filming. The internet is your oyster. Start exploring today.